Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the family, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, I love you all so much. So today, actually before I even tell you what we're doing, thank you so much for my 250 beauties. So about my 250 subscribers. Thank you guys all so much. It means so much to me. Like, I don't think you understand it. Also, hey, new camera, new quality, what's up? Yes, you guys, I haven't shot in so long. I missed talking to you guys so much. Like, I've been releasing videos obviously, but I haven't been shooting in a while because why? Nobody knows, but I just missed you guys. So today's video it's gonna be a sequence of 7 videos pretty much. Well, hopefully, if I do the thing every day. So it's a makeup challenge that I'm going to be a part of, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys through the journey of my 7 days if I go through all 7 days. But today's topic is let me not say today, because the day I release this video is not going to be the same day that the post goes up. So yeah, the day 1 category is nude, right? Like soft glam, you know, alles, which is what I've been doing majority of the time recently. I don't know why, but let me stop rambling. Jesus. But if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. You guys, join on the fun, join on the family, just join on the madness. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm done priming and doing my eyebrows. Also, I don't understand what's going on with my eyebrows because I don't know, okay? I just don't know, but we're here, okay? Before I even start, I actually need to get all of this in the beginning. But anyway, before I start, how I'm gonna do this video, right? I'm not gonna actually do 7 videos. I'm gonna do that for my IGTV. So I'll show you snippets from my IGTV, like in this video towards the end. But your what was I saying? Stay tuned for my IGTV to see the full videos of how I achieved the looks. Yeah, I can't wait. Let me shut up actually and actually do my best. No, ma'am. So I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm not done with my face, obviously, but I mean, we're done with the eyes. Also, don't come at me for how I put on my foundation. Like, don't do that, please. No, ma'am. No, sir. So today we're doing an experiment. We're trying stipple brush. Stipple. Yeah, that brush, guys. I forgot the name, so we're gonna try it. Normally I use my normal flat foundation brush, but we're trying new things. We're trying new things for you guys. So wish me luck, please. I don't feel comfortable, but gotta step out of our comfort zone. Oops. Okay, first hand experience or first, yeah, that. It's not bad. It's not bad. I actually think I like using this more than my foundation brush. So yeah, no. I give it a tick because wow. Have you seen me? Have you seen me? This thing doesn't want to stay inside. Oh my gosh. You guys, like, I really like it. Yes. Who are you? Like, what? Okay, let me finish because wow. So I'm not talking much today because you guys know when I do my full face, we can be here for like a whole 25 hours. So hence I'm like kind of quiet, but just know that I missed you guys and I love you guys. Like, oh my gosh, have to get your act together. Like I always say, don't let nobody tell you how to put on your powder because, like, as you can see, it's everywhere. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing with my finger, right? But I will explain all of that in my highlighting and contouring video. Yeah, you guys asked me to do it. I did it the first time, alright? And then I kind of deleted it because, you know, lighting was playing games. It was like, no, video, wait, video who? Well, but yeah, you guys, I deleted it, so I will reshoot and re-upload it for you guys, because I mean, I love you guys like that, you know. So yeah. I'm not using my normal, what's this thing, contouring sponge. I just bought new sponges from Mr. Price. Yes, they were 46 rand, so literally a pack of 4. And guys, please go get them. They are so soft. Like, the first ones weren't as soft as this, you know, like, okay, but no, it's not working for contouring, hey? Like, it's not doing the thing. What is that thing? I'm gonna try to use my contour brush and just use it to ooh, no man. Let me just I'm just gonna go back in with my normal contouring sponge. And then I'm just gonna go back in with my powder just to like help define my contour a bit. Alrighty. Oh, I didn't do my nose. Wow. Wow. I really need help. What nose? Where? What is the nose? Like, what do you mean? I don't know where my mind is today. I think I'm just excited to talk to you guys, in all honesty. Like, if you guys could see the mess that is THATO, like, you'll understand that I really miss you guys. Like, I miss you. Wow, girl, come back. But we're gonna do our lashes off camera. We'll be back. Actually, before I actually do my lips, né? I mean my eyes, let me just do my lips so that we can come back, you know, finish everything clear. So, you know, I struggle with brown liner. I got this from Discreets. Discreets don't do me dirty, right? So we're gonna try it and see what happens. I cross my fingers, like, and I hope that it actually comes off, because brown liner is just, it's been against me. So you're it's you guys, look at this. It's showing up, like, I'm so proud, like, it's showing up. So I'm gonna go in with Hermosa Floor's lip gloss, no, lipstick, in the shade Ambition. I know, like, the name's coming off, but guys, I've had this for a while now, so please, please. So yeah, my lips have started. What do you mean? Who is this? die. Okay, beauties, so I'm done. I'm done, and I'm in love with my face. I'm in love with my face. Wow, I need Jesus. But no, I have him. Please, I have Jesus. I'm done, you guys. Yes. I'm wearing About Last Night from Pointless Beauty. Do go check them out. There's new stock. You guys have been asking me where I get my lashes from. Go and get yourself some Pointless Beauty lashes. Like, I can't express this enough. Oh my gosh, I need to go get myself some, so go get yourself some. And I'm wearing the 24 curly inch from Luscious Beauty Studio. Yes. What is going on? Nobody knows. But anyway, I'm done, you guys. This is day one's look. As you can see, my lips are already acting up because that's what they do best. Sorry, I'm looking at my... There's a young mirror here. Yeah. My lips are disrespectful, but this is day one's look, nude. Day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are different categories. I will try and link pictures or snippets from those days, like at the end of this. I know this is the end, but like at the end. So yeah, stay tuned and watch out for that. And I'm done. Lipstick. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I missed you guys so much. I missed you. THATO, jeez. Hope you guys like this video. Please do leave me comments. How do you think I did for the day one look? The nude / soft glam type of look. How do you think I did? Did I do great? Yeah, like, talk to me, you guys. Like, you know the drill. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, you guys, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet already subscribed. Join in on the fun, join in on the madness. I mean, you guys already watched the video up until like the end, so you might as well just press that subscription button. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I love you guys all so much. Thank you once again to all my subscribers. You guys literally mean the world to me. And I will catch you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye.